Good morning. I'm Brenda Harvey. I'm the Commissioner for the Department of Health and Human Services.
And I'm Laura Fortman, Commissioner of the Maine Department of Labor.
And it's our pleasure to be here with you this morning to say welcome and to make a few remarks about the importance of employment and the work that you do. For some of you who are in the audience and may know something about our history, we have been supporting employment of people with disabilities for a very long time. But specifically with regard to the kind of work that you are engaged in or will be engaged in, we have been longtime advocates and supporters of the fact that people with disabilities no longer need to shy away from having a goal and an interest in being productive workers in our society. We know that work is one of the best ways for people with psychiatric disabilities to achieve a path to recovery. We also know that for people with developmental disabilities, it's the best way to have a community-inclusive program. We have seen it from our experience. We've seen it from the people who report to us, our staff. We've also seen it from the people with disabilities who have become people contributing in their communities. The history of this work is that we have had to partner with employers, and sometimes that's been a significant challenge for us. But we have made significant gains in Maine. We have excellent partners in the employer community. And before Commissioner Fortman addresses some of those successes and activities, I'd like to just make a couple of remarks about our partnership between our state agencies. We have had long relationships between the Division of Vocational Rehabilitation, the career centers, and the various programs of DHHS. But I would say over the last 2-3 years, we have made significant gains in improving our partnerships. Specifically, the career centers provide disability program navigators that serve as a resource to the people who are the clients of DHHS. We jointly fund supported employment benefit specialists. Those are people who explain to clients and their families how going to work and having an income will affect the other public benefits they may be getting. We have collaborated and provide consistent training and training requirements for you who are engaged in this work. We are making sure that for supported employment we follow federal regulations, but we also have been supporting a model from the Dartmouth Research Center that really, we believe, pushes Maine to a best practice arena. We continue together to talk to our stakeholders. Our staff work together, meet with each other, and actually have known each other for many, many years. It's the benefit of being in Maine, a small town. Your role as an individual in this business is critical to the outcome that we are all seeking to achieve, and that is to help people who've had a hard time getting in through the doors of employment have those doors open with your advocacy, your good skills, and your great commitment to the people who need you. Thank you.
Thank you, Commissioner Harvey. I want to echo pretty much everything that the Commissioner just said. I'd like to start at a slightly different place, though, and talk about the number of people who are currently unemployed and who have disabilities. At the Department of Labor, we are extremely concerned that only 37% of the people with disabilities who are looking for work are actually employed. And it was a combination of recognizing those numbers and realizing the importance to the state of Maine to have everyone who wants to work to be included in the workforce that strengthened our commitment to this partnership. As Commissioner Harvey has said, the career centers are a place that hopefully is a welcoming environment for all people in our state, including people with disabilities. When you look at the number of returning veterans that we have who have suffered as part of their service and who are experiencing disabilities, at the aging workforce where people may develop disabilities as they age, it is of critical importance to us to make sure that our services are available to everyone who is looking for those services. The disability program navigators are one group of people there. We also have intake being done in American Sign Language. We also have cameras set up at our career centers so that we can communicate with anyone who comes in if they have a hearing disability or to provide additional communication services. We want to make sure that everything that we're doing is accessible in every sense of that word, and that's our commitment. And also the work between the two departments. The goal is to make sure that there are seamless services. And as Commissioner Harvey has said, we have staff working on that on a regular basis. And we are committed to that, and the governor is committed to making sure that we have seamless services. And as he just recognized last month during Disability Employment Month, we want to make sure that everyone is included in our workforce. So thank you for your commitment. And please feel free to let us know if there are other things we should be paying attention to. We want to make sure that the people accessing our services are receiving quality services, and we know that the state of Maine is better off by making sure everyone is included in our workforce. So thank you.